Hello, we are Group 17, and today we're going to talk about oncogenes. Learning about cancer can be overwhelming. The human body is a complex system, and there are multiple intertwining concepts that relate to cancer. This video will introduce you to cells, DNA, genes, and oncogenes, and explain how they all relate to answer the question, what is cancer? The human body is made up of trillions of cells. Each cell performs functions according to the genes they contain encoded in their DNA. Think of it this way. The body is the workplace and each cell is a little worker. Each worker follows a guidebook that outlines the cell's function and purpose, and each guidebook is made up of pages of instructions for each of the cell's tasks. So then, what is cancer? Cancer is a disease characterized by a disruption in the normal function and life cycle of cells, where cells multiply uncontrollably and spread to other parts of the body. Cancer can be thought of as a state of disorganization and overpopulation of worker cells in the body. But if cells have a guidebook of instructions, then what causes them to function incorrectly, like in cancer? This happens because of gene mutations, aka errors, in the cell's DNA. Think of it this way. Errors in the instruction guidebooks of a person's cells cause the cells to perform their jobs incorrectly, creating the state of cancer. Normally, a cell's DNA contains proto-oncogenes. These are the genes that instruct a cell through the stages of its life cycle. Think of how proto-oncogenes guide a cell like how a traffic light guides a car. Proto-oncogenes indicate when the cell should undergo growth, begin proliferation, aka multiplying, or initiate apoptosis, aka cell death. But when these genes mutate, they become oncogenes. Oncogenes can contribute to cancer because they do not properly instruct the cell through its life cycle, like errors in a guidebook. The DNA mutations known as oncogenes instruct the cells to do the wrong thing. Some oncogenes keep cells in a stage of constant proliferation, so cells remain at a pace where they multiply repeatedly. Other oncogenes affect apoptosis, so like a traffic light that never shows red, the cell's life cycle never stops by undergoing normal cell death. Both types of gene mutations lead to mass accumulations of cells, and if there is no way for the body to control these cells, the result of oncogenes contributed to the development of cancer.